Hi, this is EURSEK, Euro Swedish Krona, and today it's Sunday, 10th of August 2014. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou, and this is a video signal for Forex ID Academy members and FX Holics Forex Signals apps users before the new trading week opens. I'm using Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Alligator, which are Bill Williams indicators and come with your MetaTrader, and Stochastics. We'll be looking for a nice trade setup, but before we try to spot it, let's see the bigger picture of the pair. On the monthly time frame, we see that the pair, after downward move for years, the last couple of years the reversal has started. Okay, so now the biases are bullish. We see that the price, after it made a down fractal on the lower Bollinger Band on the monthly time frame, it crossed and passed above the medium Bollinger Band that shows very strong bullish momentum, and when it reached the upper Bollinger Band, it made a small correction and continued going upwards, always moving above the alligator and on the upper Bollinger Band, not even getting closer to the medium Bollinger Band. Now, stochastics are curved downwards here, and they show that maybe a correction will start. If we have a correction, the worst case scenario is that the price will go as low as approaching the median Bollinger Band. This is the statistical validation plunge we should expect. But we don't have a second confirmation. We have this big spike here, which is a candlestick. It is an inverted hammer, and it's a bearish reversal candlestick formation. But we should expect to see an up fractal here, and then of course the stochastics going downwards, and that would give us maybe a bearish candlestick here, or a candlestick which will be in the form of a doji as it is right now, or something showing indecisiveness and showing potential reversal. So let's go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we see that the pair made its downward move, and it didn't approach the median Bollinger Band, but it wants to go up, and it keeps moving above the alligator, although stochastics have not turned upwards yet. Let's go to the daily. On the daily time frame, we see that the pair made a correction, a corrective move, a downward move. Then it started going upwards. It met the median Bollinger Band. Now it wants to go higher, and although this spike reached the upper Bollinger Band, it looks, the leading alligator is curved upwards. It looks like the dynamics of the pair are bullish, and stochastics confirm that. But if they are bullish, they probably will not exceed the upper Bollinger Band on the daily time frame, and that means we are at 9.2420. It may go up to 9.2724. Okay, that's not bad, but let's see. Let's go to a smaller time frame. On H4 we see a downward move for now, a downward move, and stochastics confirm that. The candlesticks confirm that, although the pair made approached the median Bollinger Band, it made a swing low below it. It is most possible that it will keep going upwards than it will go down. So this time frame doesn't help me decide right now, because I would like to see stochastics turned upwards in order to enter from here. Let's go to H1 to see if I have more confirmations. Okay, so on H1 we had the price going down to the median, to the lower Bollinger Band, then it reversed with this very strong bullish candlestick. It made a swing low below the median Bollinger Band, and while the leading alligator is curved upwards, what should we see? We should see stochastics, of course, go aggressively upwards. Great. So we want to see a down fractal here, and we want to see a bullish candlestick crossing and closing above the green line of alligator, the lips of alligator. If we don't see a bullish candlestick crossing and closing above the green line of alligator, we don't enter. We want a bullish cross above the green line of alligator's lips, and we want the leading alligator to go upwards, to be turned upwards as it is now, and even more. If that happens, only if that happens, we enter long, we buy, we place our take profit target 10 to 15 pips below the upper Bollinger Band, and we place our stop loss. Let me see where the previous lower down fractal is here, close to the lower Bollinger Band. Well, if the price goes below this point, then we are talking about reversal. So we place our stop loss a few pips below the tail of this big bullish candlestick at 9.2230 would be okay. So only if we see a bullish candlestick crossing and closing above alligator's lips, the green line, and while alligator is, the leading alligator is curved upwards and stochastics confirm that, only then we buy, and we set our take profit target around 9.2602, and our stop loss a few pips below the spike, the tail of this bullish candlestick here. Thanks for watching and happy pips.